Today we're going to talk about what everyone is talking about, coronavirus. And moreover, I was just saying in the last segment that the polar opposite of forgiveness and humanity is the profiteering of something as simple as hand sanitizer.
Really?
There is a huge shortage of it in this country. They're selling it for exorbitant amounts, up to $650 a bottle, which is just insanity. So Dr. Ian, a lot of people are doing this at home and they have little videos up on YouTube and stuff. But you're going to show us the proper ratios if you want to create and make your own safe hand sanitizer. But let's just start with the basics.
Yeah.
Is hand sanitizer going to protect you from definitively getting sick?
Great question. So, first of all, the best way is actually washing your hands. The good old-fashioned soap and water is the best way to do it.
At least 20 seconds,
yes.
Correct?
So the idea is, you can see this picture here. The CDC says 20 seconds. It could be up to 30 seconds. This is a photo from dailymail.com of someone washing their hands. You can see at the different time elapses how when it's light, that means it's not totally clean. It took them up to 30 seconds to really get away.
Get that
yes,
layer off.
Exactly.
Right.
Now, does that mean that's going to happen for everyone? Most people don't wash their hands correctly. You put your hand in the water, you get it wet first. Then you put the soap on.
Does it matter if it's hot or cold?
It doesn't matter if it's hot or cold because it's not hot enough to kill the pathogen.
That's right. You can't put your hands under boiling
water, which is what you would need to kill the bacteria, the virus. So you put the water on. I tell my kids this all the time. We had to actually have a hand washing lesson because I got sick of them the way they're washing hands. Water first, put the soap. You have to lather.
That's the 20, 30 second part, people.
Yes.
The soap.
Soap, lather.
Not the running under the water part.
Exactly.
It's the get the stuff dead and off part that counts.
My boys, are you listening to this? Anyway, that's the right way to do it. You do the palms, you do the back, between.
Right, you've all seen fake doctors. He's a real one. You've seen them on TV, right?
Yes.
Do this thing?
Yes.
The back of your hand is what's catching all the ka-choos of the people around you.
That's right.
So you can't just do the palms.
That's right.
Am I preaching the truth?
You are preaching, baby.
Thank you.
So anyway, okay, here we are. So the idea is, the first I want to say, if you're buying hand sanitizer, you want to look at the concentration of alcohol. The alcohol is what actually kills the pathogen.
That's right.
And so you want it to be at least 60% according to the CDC. So when you look at your hand sanitizer, make sure it's 60% or over, but we're also going to make it, okay? You can make this, okay? Now, we're going to start with some rubbing alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to do 2/3 cup of the rubbing alcohol here. That's 1/3, 2/3, okay? Now, this is 99%. You want to get your rubbing alcohol, your alcohol, to be in the 90s because science has shown that it's more effective at killing it when it's up in the 90s.
Gotcha.
Now, this is our aloe vera gel here, 1/3 of this. So
what is aloe vera gel? It's in the regular grocery stores,
yes,
right? You don't need a prescription.
This stuff you can get anywhere. It's non-prescription.
It's plant-based, you know, the big aloe vera plant, and you rub it on sunburns.
It's a gel, so you put that in there like so. Then you mix it like so. Then Rach is going to choose what she likes. We have different oils. You can put an essential oil in there. Some of the
eucalyptus. That sounds and smells healthy.
Okay, there you go. So a couple of drops. You don't want to put too much in there because you don't want to dry out the skin. And some of these oils do have antimicrobial properties. They fight bacteria, so not too much. But we're going to put a couple drops in like that.
I only got one drop. There we go.
There you go. You're going to mix it up like this. Now we're going to use our funnel. So Rachel's gonna hold. Don't worry about it.
Don't take that cap up.
That's right. You're gonna pour it in like this. A little spray bottle. Now I like the spray bottles, by the way, because put it like so.
Gotcha.
And it comes out really, really nice. Look at that.
Lovely.
See, that's it. That's it.
Little aftershave.
Yeah, and by the way, look how good it feels.
It feels great. It smells great.
Yes.
Yep.
And the aloe vera keeps it, your skin from drying out, so it gives it a little moisture. It just feels really, really good.
And it didn't cost $650. And if you are profiteering off of hand sanitizer, shame on you.
That's right. There you go.
Thank you so much to Dr.